Freedom is simply not the right to live as we choose. It is a responsibility to help build a country where everyone can live with dignity, hope, and opportunity. Hello everyone, I'm Chinmayi from IG2. Take a moment and think what freedom means to you. Perhaps it is the freedom to express your thoughts, to choose your dreams, to learn, to question, or simply to live without fear. We may often experience these freedoms every day, so naturally, we may forget how precious they truly are to us. Today, on August 15, we celebrate India's Independence Day, a day that is marked as our freedom from the British colonial rule in 1947. But Independence Day is not a mere celebration of the past. It is the opportunity to remember the sacrifices that made our freedom possible and to reflect on the responsibilities that come with it. When we think about independence, we often remember the great leaders and freedom fighters who shaped our history. Their courage, determination, and willingness to sacrifice reminds us that freedom was not achieved easily. They dreamed of an India where people could determine their own future, and they worked tirelessly to achieve that dream. As students, we may sometimes think that building our nation is the responsibility of adults, but the choices we make every day also impact the future of our country. Being responsible citizens means respecting others, protecting our environment, following rules, standing against injustice, and using our education to make a positive difference. Independence also means having the courage to think, question, and improve. So, on this Independence Day, let us not only think about the freedom we have inherited, let us think about the freedom we can help protect and the India we can help create. Let us choose responsibility over indifference, unity over division, kindness over prejudice, and action over silence. The freedom fighters gave us the opportunity to shape our future. Now, it is our turn to shape the future of India. Thank you and happy Independence Day.